Assalamu alaikum and good morning all my dear little children. How are you? Fine? Okay, good. We started our revision class, no? Yes, today we are going to revise 3 topics. Okay? The first one is games. Yes, games. Shall I give first game? You want to identify the game, okay? See the first one. Which game is this? Yes, this game is badminton. Badminton. See children, how many players will be there in badminton, you know? Yes, this game which you can play by singles or doubles. Singles or doubles. And what are the equipments used in this game? Yes, in this picture you can identify that. What are they? Badminton racket and shuttlecock. Yes, and one net will be there, no? At the center. Okay, now we want to read the name of this game, badminton. How to read? B-A-D-M-I-N-T-O-N. Badminton. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes, which game is this? Basketball. Yes, this game is basketball. Basketball is that game play with ball, right? Play with one ball. And team members, how many teams and how many members in each team? Yes, there are 2 teams and each team 5 members will be there. And how to play? Baskets are there. Players want to put the ball through the basket, opposite baskets. Okay, now we want to read this basketball. The name basketball. Right? Yes, here B-A-S-K-E-T. Basketball. B-A-L-L. Basketball. Okay, move to the next one. Yes, this game is, of course, that is cricket. Cricket. That you know very, very well. How many members will be there in cricket? There are 2 teams that we know. 2 teams, each team. How many members? Have 11 members will be there. 11 players will be there. Yes. Then what are the equipments need for this game? Bat and ball. One team will fielding and other team that is batting. Yes, score more runs. That is the aim by saving wickets, right? Now we want to read the name of this game. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Next we want to move our favorite game, which is football. Football. Play with ball. Yes, this game football with ball. Then here also, how many members? How many teams? There will be 2 teams and each team have 11 members. And try to more goals. That is the aim. Okay? Shall we read the name? Football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. Okay. Move to the next one. Yes, this is our national game. National game. Which is it? What is the name of this game? Hockey. Hockey is our national game. And do you know how many teams? 2 teams. And how many members? 11 members will be there. Okay? And we know the magician of the hockey or the wizard of the hockey. Who is that? Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand. Okay? Okay, now we want to read hockey. The name hockey. 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 Okay, then next one, which is the next game. Identify this game. Yes, this is Kabaddi. Kabaddi. How many members will be there in Kabaddi? Yes, 7 members. 7 members will be there in Kabaddi. Okay? Okay, how many members and how many teams will be there in Kabaddi? Yes, there are 2 teams and each team having 7 members will be there. This is a martial play. Okay, now we want to read Kabaddi. Name Kabaddi. Kabaddi. Okay, move to the next one. Next one is, yes, which game is this? Tennis. Tennis. What are the equipments needed for tennis game? Look here, tennis racket and ball. Tennis racket and ball. Okay, how can play? That can be played by singles or doubles. Singles or doubles. And one net will be there at the center of this court, right? Then, yes, we want to read the name tennis. 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 Now the next game is volleyball. Volleyball. Play with one ball, right? Play with ball. And how many teams and how many members? There are 2 teams and each team having 6 players. 6 players will be there. And play with ball by hand, right? Yes, and one net will be there at the center by separating these 2 teams. Okay, shall we read the name? Volleyball. Yes, VOLLEYBALL. Volleyball. Okay, understood, children? Yes, we want to know the game. We want to identify the game and how many members will be there in each team and how many teams will be there in each games, and what are the equipments need in each games, that we want to know. Okay, and we want to read all the names of games. Okay, children, now we are going to move the next topic, that is media. Right? Media. We know there are some medias in our textbook that we want to know whatever things happening around us through this media we are knowing, right? Okay, I am going to bring the whole medias on the screen. Then shall we take one by one? Then first one is identify this. Radio. Yes, we know radio is here only media. Radio is here only media. We can hear news and other programs, right? Shall we read it? RADIO. Radio. Okay, come to the next one. This is television. Television is the another media. We can hear programs and visualize things. Okay, news and other all things. Okay, shall we read it? television. Television. Okay, come to the next one. Which media is this? This is read-only media. Read-only media. Yes, every morning we are getting this, right? Newspaper. Newspaper is read-only media. Shall we read newspaper? Okay. NEWSPAPER. Newspaper. Then next one is cinema. Okay, cinema. Cinema also one type of media. Okay, cinema tell us, we know, good stories, good messages telling cinemas, movies will be there. We are choosing that type of cinemas, right? Which tell us good message telling stories. Okay, shall we read the name cinema? CINEMA. Okay, next the last one, we all know that what is mobile phone. Mobile phone, mobile, we can take it everywhere. And also very useful. Yeah, we get all the information, news, and we are using many other purposes, calls for our friends, relatives. Okay, very useful, but we don't misuse it. Okay, now we want to read the name mobile phone. MOBILE. Mobile. PHONE. Phone. Mobile phone. Okay, children. Then media is also over. Now we are going to move the next topic. Today's last topic. Okay, living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Children, we know what are living things and what are non-living things. First, I am going to bring that page of living things on the screen. Okay, we want to read all the names. Okay, see pictures, see these pictures. First one is man, then cat, cow, plant, butterfly, dog, goat, fish and bird. These all are living things. Children, do you know what are the specialities of living things? Yes, there are 3 specialities. No, living things can move, living things can breathe, and living things can grow. Okay, now I will show you the next page. See the next page, that is non-living things. Non-living things. What are the pictures? Just go through it, okay? Book, pencil, table, chair, cloth, stone, bag, house and umbrella. Children, these are non-living things. What are the specialities of non-living things? Just opposite to the living things. Just opposite of living things. Shall we say? Non-living things cannot move, cannot breathe and cannot grow. Yes, children, we revised 3 topics today. Okay? Okay, we want to revise some more topics in our textbook. That will be in the next class, inshallah. Okay, we will meet Next class, bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, welcome to our House of Knowledge, Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School.
This is our preschool. We are like butterflies here, enjoying our learning. Loving and caring Manjus and Ayas are always there to help us. Just have a look at our little wonderful world.
Our school is one of the pioneer CBSE school in the Malappuram district, founded by the Ansar Islam Charitable Trust Kondoti under the chief patronship of Abdurrahman Sahib in the year 1983.
We have a profound academic background with many meritorious and inspiring alumni worldwide.
I am Ashfaq Ali, an alumni of Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School. I am currently working as Global Investigations Advisor at Amazon.
ഞാൻ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ 10ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെ പഠിച്ചത് മർക്കസിലാണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാനെന്നൊരു ഇൻഡിവിജ്വലിനെ ഒരുപാട് ബേസിക്സ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതും ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ മർക്കസിൽ പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന സമയത്താണ്.
Alhamdulillah, we are molded with moral values and life skills.
Marcus gives an ambience to engage, enlighten, and empower our intellectual and substantial well-being by providing us an holistic education. We are embedded with very good infrastructure with smart classrooms, knowledge hub, libraries, and IT labs, science labs, and so on.
Success is where opportunity and preparation meets. Here we get training in swimming, karate, taekwondo, chess, handball, so on.
Marcus is truly a glittering star, bagging several trophies in Kids Fest, Sports Meet, English Fest, Green Army, MTSE winners, Kabaddi, Handball, showed their skills in State Junior Football, 100% results in AISC and AISC examinations.
The school has been providing quality education from preschool to class 12. Even in this pandemic situation, the school has given wide opportunity in teaching and learning. We are giving YouTube classes as well as live classes simultaneously.
Aeroplane, start. Yes, കണ്ടുവോ നിങ്ങളെ? മഴയോ മഴ 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 പെരുമഴ. Tiger, you look. Hi, my name is Cockroach.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The first method is fixed capital method and the second method is fluctuating capital method.
Cube, isn't it? Then how many faces in a cube? കാലത്തുണർന്നു കുളിച്ചതല്ലേ.
उसके बाद हम आज पढ़ेंगे कहानी. आपको पसंद है कहानी?
Now look at this picture. What can you see there? ഏതൊക്കെ പക്ഷികളാണ് അവിടെ സ്ഥിരതാമസക്കാർ? നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് പക്ഷികളെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ?
We are assessing our students through online exams and written exams. We give importance to co-curricular and creative activities.
All my friends want to try this.